AP Max Model Paper Section 3 Answers. 21 question. Given A is equal to x such that x is an even number less than 10 and B is equal to x such that x belongs to n and 4 less than x less than 10, then find A union B and A intersection B by using Venn diagrams that hold. Given, first write the given things. A is equal to x are even numbers less than 10 means you will get 2, 4, 6, 8. And B is equal to x such that x belongs to n. 4 less than x less than 10 means B you are going to be get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now A union B is equal to write all the things and the common things you should write only one time like this. Then you are going to be get the Venn diagram, and the Venn diagram A union B means combination of all those. The shaded region is the A union B. Now consider A intersection B is equal to intersection nothing but whatever the common things, those things you are going to be get. So A intersection B is equal to this one. In the Venn diagram, the shaded region, this one will be the A intersection B. Show that A1, A2 and so on AN are form an AP where AN is defined as AN is equal to 3 plus 4n and find sum of first 15 terms. First the given thing you should write AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. From this one in place of n you substitute the values 1, 2 like that. Then you are going to be get as A1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 15 like this. And the last term n is equal to 15. 15 times they are asking, so substitute n is equal to 15 is equal to you are going to be get 63. The first term let it be A and the last term let it be L. Now A1, A2 and so on AN is nothing but 7, 11, 15, 19 are in AP with a common difference of 4. If you observe 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4, 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. So the common difference is 4. So all these terms are in AP we can decide. Sum of first 15 terms is nothing but as 15 is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term A plus L. So substitute A and L values you are going to be get as 15 is equal to 525. 23rd question. 23rd, write the following sets in the set builder form. A is equal to B equal to C is equal to D. They given for this thing set building forms you have to be formed. Even A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. It is in the form of 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4 like that. So x is equal to 3n where n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 the given. It is looking in the form of 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 to the power of 5 like that. So B can be written as B is equal to x such that x is equal to 2 to the power of n where n belongs to n all natural numbers and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5 up to 5 only we consider. So 1 less than or equal to 5. Now C is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625. It is just looking as 5 to the power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4. So C can be written as x is equal to 5 to the power of n and n is the natural numbers where n less than 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. D is equal to 1, 4, 9, 25 and so on 100. If you observe these things, it is in the form of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square like that. So it can be written as x is equal to n square where n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. 24th question. Find 10th and nth terms of GP 5, 25, 125 and so on. Given that the GP are the given GP is 5, 25, 125 and so on. Here the first term A is equal to 5 and the common ratio R is equal to 25 by 5. 125 by 25 you are going to be get common ratio R is equal to 5. If you observe these things, first term A1 is equal to 5, it can be written as A into R to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So you are going to be get singleton A. And here second term if you observe A2 is equal to A into R to the power of 2 minus 1. If you are right singular you are going to get AR, that is nothing but 5 square. So like this if you observe an is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. This is nothing but the nth term of GP. Nth term of GP an is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. The 10th term is equal to A10 is equal to substitute in place of n 10. You are going to be get like this. Find the coordinates of midpoints of line joining the points. The given thing is sin 45, tan 30, cos 45, cot 60 degrees the given. The midpoints joining points formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. And if you observe the sin 45 1 by root 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, substitute all these values and you are going to be get the midpoint is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3. 26th question. In two concentric circles, a chord of length 24 centimeters of large circle becomes a tangent to the smaller circle and radius is 5 centimeters. Then find the larger circle radius. Given that length of the chord 24 centimeters and the radius of the smaller radius is equal to 5 centimeters, they given, we have to be find large circle radius. Concentric circle, if you draw the rough diagram like this, the smaller circle radius 5 centimeters and the chord is equal to 24 centimeters. If this is radius, nothing. If you are drawing this one, it will bisect the chord like this. It is a perpendicular bisector OD of AB. That is bisector nothing but equally it will divide. So AD is equal to DB. Nothing but you are going to be get 24 by 2 total centimeters you are going to get. You have to be find this OA length. This is nothing but the larger circle radius. For this one, consider the triangle OAD. In this triangle OAD, apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is the right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem, if you apply, AO square is equal to AD square plus OD square and substitute those values, you are going to get AO length is equal to 13 centimeters. AO nothing but radius of the larger circle. 27th question. Show that the points a, 0, minus a, 0, 0, a root 3 are the vertices of a equilateral triangle. Draw the rough diagram like this. Now consider length AB, BC and ACs. If all the lengths are equal, then it is a equilateral triangle. Length of the sides, length of the point these two AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You apply these things, you are going to be get like this. All are equal lengths you are going to be get. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Therefore triangle AB is an equilateral triangle. 28th question. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radius 21 centimeters and 7 centimeters with center O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees they given, find the area of the shaded region. Given that diagram, if you draw like this one will become a sector and this large one is two concentric circles they given. This is a smaller circle and this one is the large circle. The smaller circle radius is 7 centimeters and the larger circle radius is 21 centimeters. These two will become nothing but the lengths of the arcs and this is the chord. This full one is sector. Now angle AOB is equal to sector angle is equal to 30 degrees they given. Now we should try and find the shaded region. This region you have to be find. How will you get this region means the area of the full sector you have to be find. After the small sector area you have to be find. From the total area, if you subtract this smaller sector area, then the shaded region you are going to be get like this. Area of the sector is AOB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is nothing but they given that 30 degrees. So you apply this thing. Now the area of the smaller circle, smaller sector OCD. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by smaller is 7 centimeters. So you apply. Area of the shaded region is equal to large sector area minus small sector area. If you subtract the shaded region, you are going to be get that is nothing but 1 minus 2. So you are going to apply those things and you calculate. You are going to be get area of the shaded region is equal to 102.66 like this. Approximately I took 6 centimeters. So area of shaded region is 102.66 square centimeters.